smile. It's a new day. What are we doing? We're back on Excommunicado.
Excommunicado.
So we're putting alternator. We got a low mount alternator bracket there.
Yep.
Got some pulleys to put on. You already put it on? Oh, it's already got the crank pulley.
Yeah, it's for the water pump. The pulley we got in.
Okay. So then we got to put the water pump on.
Yeah.
Put pulleys on. Put starter on. Put the
spark plug wire holders. And we got his whoop for his
yeah.
air
We got
cleaner.
the whoop whoop. We got the whoop whoop.
Yep.
Got to get that all whoop whooped.
Yep.
To work on that. You got the rails for the
for
the
wire
wires?
holders. Yeah, right here.
Let's check them out. Okay, what do we got? Are they ball milled or what do we got?
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, just plain
wow.
cool. All right.
Wow.
So I got to run them wires through that,
So
make
that
it all
must
nice
be-
and pretty.
That must be the right side. The right and left, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. So you got plenty to do today.
Oh, yeah.
We'll have this motor ready to fire up this
Yes,
afternoon,
sir.
right? Yeah, look at that. That looks good.
Yeah. Heck, I better look at the instructions. Uh-oh.
It goes the way you had it the second time, flipped around. Yeah, I'm sure you'll figure it out. And those,
Oh, little bitty screws and bolts.
yeah, and that comes apart. You can slide it all through it. And I guess you haven't used those before.
No, I just use, I loom mine under with zip ties. With the zip tie in the middle, I make my own.
Well, these will be pretty.
Yeah, they will be.
We'll get them all going. Okay, I was going doing my thing for a while. What have you been doing?
My thing. I'm doing my
Doing your
thing.
thing? Well, it looks like they line up. That's a good thing.
No, I don't think they do.
Oh, they're right there.
They're close. I don't think they line up. I think I got to take the bottom off and shim the bottom pulley out. Because my alternators...
Oh, you're right. Yeah.
Here, look down it.
Yep.
Okay, and see my alternator's out this way?
Mhm.
My alternator's lining up with this pretty
Okay.
good. So I got to take that back apart and shim.
Okay. So we don't want anything easy and simple.
Oh, no, not at all.
But you got the alternator on.
Yep.
You used the low mount bracket.
Yep.
You had a couple multiple choices there, but looks like you got one that'll
I got
work.
Josh getting me a double pulley too.
Okay.
Because that's the only thing that's going to run, and that's going to look goofy as heck if it's just a single deal on the alternator. So we'll try and get a double, just run a double deal on there.
A double deal.
Yeah.
We don't want goofy as heck.
No, we don't want goofy.
No goofy.
Nope.
You got plenty of goofy enough going on.
Yeah. Enough of that at my own creation.
All right. So I'm heading back up to San Bondo.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, are we gonna check this out?
Yeah, I want to see this thing. Oh, we got to put the
Okay, there you
in
go.
it.
Some assembly required.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a better idea right there. That's what it needed. Yeah. What was I thinking? The other one was cool, old school,
Yeah.
but yeah, that's like pretty,
That's like,
pretty happening.
and then we got to hook up the wappa.
The wappa wappas. The wappa wappas going on.
Yeah, I dig that.
Yeah. It needs to be a little taller though. It's not quite in your line of sight.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little short, isn't it?
Kind of like
You can put some
Insanity. Yeah, you can
velocity
still see
stamps.
over that. I showed, I got a Chinese friend,
Uh-huh.
and so we communicate sometimes on Discord. And I showed him a picture of Pure Insanity.
Oh, yeah.
He was all concerned that you couldn't see out the windshield. I was like, what do you need to see? So, all right, so it's getting taller, getting better.
Yeah.
I better bring that windshield down here.
Yep.
Well, we get the motor done today.
Yeah.
I don't know if we'll get to the windshield, but do not forget the firewall.
It's over there.
It's over there. So once you get that, then we'll get the firewall in. I'll help you do that so that we kind of two people have to hold it. That's why I didn't put it in when I was doing it. You got to mark it pretty careful.
Yeah.
So grab the Dremel tool and we'll cut that hole. kind of
You got electric Dremel?
I do,
Good. Because we have.
specifically for cutting those out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, yeah. I tried doing it other ways and cracked it, and it's like, that's the best way to do it. All right, so moving ahead.
Moving forward. Forward, young man.
Forward. So you're shimming next, huh?
Yep, I'm gonna pull that bottom pulley off. I was just looking at this. This has got to be like.
Yeah,
Like
like
that.
that. Man, I can't even see it, so shiny. It's just like, bing.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Okay. Okay, we got some more assembly required. So what are you doing here? You got the, kind of show us what you did.
Okay.
I've been waiting around here.
Okay. It comes with them brackets.
Uh-huh.
Now
Got
there's
them
no
on.
pictures. There's no destructions.
You don't need
This
pictures.
is 2-piece. So I figured out this goes this way. I figured out my holes. They go back. So I put them on both sides.
Okay.
Then we're going to put this little.
Okay,
Go in
countersunk
here.
in there nicely so the wires can go right along it.
Being a slot on the back side, we got to have a flat.
Mm-hmm. And it's adjustable, about a full inch.
Yeah.
almost.
So let me get my little nut on here. My fingers don't do good with little bolts and stuff like
You
that.
can see how far it adjusted. And they do that so it can fit on both styles of valve covers.
So we're going to do this. Get a little nut in the flat.
Okay, so you get that on. Then the wires go up through there.
Wires come. This one will drop, drop,
And
drop,
then the
drop.
top screws
And
on
then
to
the top screws on. It's kind of a neat thing.
real clean. So when I come back, we're going to see wires everywhere.
So anyways, and then, you know, you got your little bit of, which we're going to go all the way back.
Yep.
Because number one plug is here. So we'll go all the way back right there. What?
Do we want to put the headers on? Because you're going to have to dink in between them headers. Well, no, it won't matter because...
Right, they're straight tubes, so... Ooh.
Just make sure you got it bent around so it's not too tight.
Yeah.
Maybe hold the header up there to kind of get an eyeball on it. I know the header's in the way, but...
Yeah, because these tubes... Where are the headers, bro?
Header's right here.
Oh.
There's the...
Yeah. We're going to put the headers up on there, just even if it's 2 bolts.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can keep my wires. Because look.
You're going to have to kind of loop them around it, and yeah.
Yeah, because that dumps right on the header.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. So, if I go forward, that keeps this wire, this wire. But we're still too long. What if I
But
could...
you can swing around the outside and go down there, or the front of it.
Maybe we'll go forward with them. All right, yeah, you're right. Put the header on, a couple bolts.
We don't want them on permanent, just...
No, just 2 bolts, no gasket. And then
All right,
I
very
can
good.
play with that adjustment, and yeah.
Now that way you don't have to do it all and figure it out and undo it.
Yeah.
Especially because we're cutting the wires.
Yes.
And it's a one-time deal.
One-time deal.
We want it super clean, no wire dangling, no
Yeah,
extra
we want them
wire.
all to go up to the cap
Not
nice.
super tight, but not
Pull
enough
tight.
to have to
Right.
redo it. So, all right, I'm going to let you to it.
Okay.
All right, so you're moving it ahead.
Yeah, I modified them dealios here. So if you look,
Move it back.
yeah, so if you look, see, that's the original hole there.
Mm-hmm.
So I moved it back and I cut 3/4 of an inch off the tip. But if you look, they all kind of line up real nice over the header, and they'll all go this way now.
Much better.
Yeah, I thought so.
Much more better.
The starter's on. We need an 1/8 inch shim for the bottom pulley. Talk to Josh, he's got that coming. Starter. Oh, I did the fuel line. I found your tubing bender
Oh, where was it?
in the drawer.
In the wrong drawer.
Yeah. So this is all done. I just got to get the 90-degree angle drill and put my little
Put
tabs
the
on.
clamp in there.
But this is all done.
Okay. We don't have the Woompa Woompas done yet.
No.
The Woompa Woompas.
Baba.
Womba, womba.
How did I lose the spark plug wire?
All right, so I was just checking on you. Don't want to
Yeah.
miss any good video.
How's the body shop doing? You getting far?
I don't know. I'm not like you. I don't attract all the Bondo dust, so it doesn't look like I'm quite as busy.
What's up with that?
Gibby's amazing. You can sand Bondo like 20 feet away from him, and it all floats right over to him and sticks on his
I'm
face.
like a magnet.
He's a magnet, a Bondo magnet. All right, so moving ahead. I might as well get that fan on the radiator and all that kind of stuff and get that done.
Yep.
So, just work on the front end motor today.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I just, seconds ago, got off the phone with Jim, Excommunicado, and said, Gibby's putting the Wampa Wampas on. I better video this before he gets them all on. So he's gonna go with a regular horn.
Okay.
Just a regular horn, so we gotta put that on.
Yeah.
I'm getting all this figured out,
Yeah.
and then we'll see that done. Anything special we need to know about that?
No, I mean,
Pretty straightforward.
yeah. Figure out the linkage. I mean,
Kind of a pain to get up under here.
to
Tighten
put them bolts in?
Yeah, not really. Linkage you probably have to bend or do or whatever, but not that big a deal.
No.
So that's about close to it on the front. We got the horn figured out, and you can pretty much tidy up the front end and
Yep.
terminate the wires. And
Yep.
we want to change out the dipstick to a fancy schmancy,
Okay.
one of them braided ones. I think there it is sitting there, and then we got the transmission dipstick that needs to go on there.
Yeah.
Vacuum, got to get some vacuum down here. Grab that, pretty easy. All right, coming along.
I'm out of breath.
Hey, we got a guest appearance.
Yeah, that's right.
Brian with Insanity. Insanity. We got pure insanity.
Right.
This is insanity.
Tea. Yep.
So you're bringing some of your stuff down. We still don't have a motor
Yep.
with the racing fuel.
Uh-huh.
So you've got a
It's a 540 blown fuel injected Hemi.
man. So this is Gibby's over here working on this one. So do you hear what we got coming over here, Gibby?
Yeah.
What do we got coming? A big Hemi,
Big Hemi.
blown. So we had to extend the frame. So you're just dropping off some parts, checking it out.
Mm-hmm.
And I come up here to check out what Gibby's up to. Putting the cover on. Oh, you got the Woomba Woomba. Ooh, okay. You got your air cleaners. Is that going to come all ready to go like that?
It's already going to have. It's going to have an injector hat and the throttle body set up on it already.
So we'll have to
I
do
don't think
nothing.
you'll have to mess with that. The only thing we have to do is run fuel lines, and I've got that in some of the other boxes we need to bring over here.
Good.
Cool. So it'll be a quick build.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Well, yeah, no, we're finally getting around the corner on some of this stuff that's.
The last couple of months, it's like you guys are back at it, doing
Yeah.
good work.
So we're down to
Dreams come true.
Trying.
to kind of
really,
turn.
I'm trying hard. We're trying hard. I mean, we've been putting her going 7 days a week sometimes. Just
getting her done.
Yep.
So you'll be back tomorrow.
Yeah.
You'll be here at lunchtime.
Mhm.
Maybe we'll have to do lunch at Herschel if he's
I'll
here
buy
tomorrow.
everybody lunch.
No, we'll go eat Herschel's food.
Okay.
That's even better.
All right.
So are you finishing up for today?
yeah. Yep.
We're gonna go install a grill at my house.
Yep.
Okay, that'll work.
It ain't just the grill. You
Yeah.
go back down to
You gotta
Spirit.
put it together.
Oh yeah. We'll have to show it to you
You
later.
guys show it to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to come down to Spirit and see it.
So that's it for today's video then, and we'll do it again tomorrow.
Doing it again tomorrow.
Get the motor maybe close to done tomorrow.
Yeah.